So you can see they have some beautiful pieces over here. Chaniya cholis ma options hai, festive wear pieces hai. They have kapadas and they have some jewelry as well. Dupattas ma options joita hoy to ema pan hai. We have come here to Beige Gallery. It's a 2-day show today and tomorrow, 8th and 9th of September. There are 8 brands that have come over here from Ankleshwar and from Ahmedabad. And they have a very beautiful collection. This is the pocket friendly edit that they have over here. Collection jo hoy to swipe left.
Hello, good morning. My name is Abibsa and my brand name is Abis Designer Wear. सुंदर कापड़ा છે બધા જૂના must be around 60 to 80 years old કાપડા છે fine blouses છે
So blouses and kapras ma bahut sundar collection hai. These are all original kapras that she has. Vintage chaniya. Okay, something with mirror work.
with modal.
With modal.
Multicolors are there.
Okay.
Printed are there.
Printed much hai, multicolored much hai. Solid colors ma pan options hai. Something with a heavy border. Okay. And something in ombre.
My brand name is Pooja Dey. We are from Ankleshwar and we are here at Beige Gallery for exhibiting our Navratri collection. So we have this kind of collection. All are 12 to 10 meters of flare. Then we have handwork dupattas with this.
Okay, handwork dupattas hai. They have lots of chaniya choli options like these. Okay. And the blouses jode mal se.
All are with the sets only.
Okay.
We offer full sets only.
Okay.
We have this kind of collection.
Options like these. Okay. Thoda
Then
koi
we have something with this, like handwork dupatta and the
handwork
blouse.
dupatta. Okay. Pastel shades में भी कोई options
The one
जोईता
which I am wearing, and then we have this kind of.
Okay, something with such patches.
We have this kind of.
Yes, I'm from Savri, Ami. કોટા દોરિયામાં હું જે અમારું ડિફરન્સ ઓપોઝિટ કરતું એમાં હું ન્યૂ કલર લાવી છું આજે.
Okay, so lots of chaniya choli options to choose from.
મલમાં લાવી છું
મલમાં?
વિથ મોડાલ બંદેજ દુપટ્ટા
With modal
બ્લાઉઝનું ફેબ્રિક આવી જશે ફૂલ
Okay.
ફ્લેર છે એન્ડ પોકેટ ફ્રેન્ડલી ઓલ્સો 7000 ઓનલી.
Okay, 7,000 में आपको set मिलता है with a blouse piece.
યસ
Okay, so lots of
ફ્યુઝન
options.
કલેક્શન જે મેરેજમાં બી ચાલે અને બંનેમાં ચાલે.
So these go in Navratri and festive wear both.
This is also mul full pair.
So they have other options in chaniya choli with stitched blouses as well. Color options madi jaise.
Yes.
Okay. So this brand is called Savri.
Hi, my brand name is Label Kosha Patel. So here we are showcasing festive wear, something like this,
Okay.
something like this with full sharara, something in heart work,
Heart work.
something like this, something minimal go with.
Okay. So these are all festive wear pieces that she has.
Bandhani,
Bandhani.
something like this. And we have something in tissue like this.
Tissue ma options
With
है
plazo.
with plazos. Okay.
Cord sets in festive wear.
Cord sets in festive wear.
And coming to Navratri, we have chaniya and dupatta sets like this.
Okay. Chaniya and dupatta sets है.
Yes,
Okay.
something like this.
Okay. So this is brand Arohi Gems and Jewelry and they have some beautiful Navratri collection that they've come with over here.
Hey, this is Meghna here from Arohi Gems and Jewelry. Today we have beautiful silver look like finger rings, only earrings in Afghani and silver look like. Then we have nice kadas, bracelets, small chokers in silver look like these statement pieces.
These can be used for kids' jewelry as
His jewelry also. Then we have this only Afghani.
Okay.
These are all Afghani statement pieces. These are short for kids also and small for big adults also. These are very beautiful long Afghani.
So this brand is called Shikha and have a beautiful collection of chania cholis. These are their hallmark pieces, the check chanias, and they have some beautiful color options in them. You can see Ganas Bada colors chair to choose from. Moving on, they also have these kind of chania choli options. You can see something with heavy work on the blouse, like monochrome style ma joitu hoy to ema options છે. They also have bandhej style blouses like these, and of course they have lots of dupattas to choose from. Again, checked dupattas છે એમની પાસે. Ema you will find different colors to choose from. They have something with handwork like this, sequencing work છે એમની પાસે. Something colorful જોઈતું હોય તો આવા options પણ છે. And these are heavy dupattas that you can wear for your festive wear fits, for your wedding events. And એમાં પણ of course color options available છે. You will find some beautiful bright colors like these, something in yellow, and they also have some blouse materials over here.
Hi, my brand name is Heart of Sunray. My name is Shaili.
So this brand is Heart of Sunray, okay.
We have this type of chania.
Chanias છે આવા with coin detailing.
Chanias, muslin chanias.
Muslin માં chanias છે with a gaji blouse.
Chanias like this.
You can see the detailing over here. Okay.
Then we have chanias.
Something with mirror work. Badla work na chanias છે. Okay.
Then we have different blouses.
So अलग अलग blouses પણ છે એમની પાસે to choose from. અને blouses chanias જોડે mix and match પણ થઈ શકે છે.
You can customize. You
Okay.
can buy separately also. You can buy set also.
So you can customize separately પણ લઈ શકો, set માં પણ લઈ શકો.
Different dupattas.
They have dupatta options and they also have some festive wear options like these.
Heart work dresses.
Okay, catwalk ma. So this brand is called Sadgi by Sanjana.
Hello, we have festive wear.
Festive wear pieces છે, anarkali છે,
These kind of heart work dresses.
heart work dresses, okay, with pants options available છે.
With dupatta, anything can be customized, colors can be customized.
Colors
can be
and
customized.
design can be customized, okay.
We have multiple options and designs.
Lots of options and designs.
Kaftan sets.
Kaftan sets છે in ombre, pastel shades માં options છે. You can get some pieces with
Sharara
dupatta.
sets.
Sharara set છે.
Then these kind of dresses.
Something like this.
Then Malchanderi, Angrakha.
Malchanderi Angarkha, Anarkali, okay.
These kind of ombre shades.
Ombre shades માં options છે. Okay.
Then we have Indo-Western cuts too.
Indo-Western cuts be available છે. Something in shibori,
Then in one pieces.
one pieces.